This short guide explains how to buy shares of Myomo Inc. Myomo makes wearable myoelectric assistive devices and robotic orthoses for people with neuromuscular conditions. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker MYO. This is educational information only and not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker account. I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will normally need to verify your account by uploading an identity document. You will also need to add funds before you can place a purchase. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker MYO. Select the result that corresponds to Myomo Inc. on NASDAQ to open the company's stock page. On the stock page, review basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the listing shows Myomo Inc. in ticker MYO so you are viewing the correct asset. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, then review the order details carefully and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed when trading reopens depending on order type. If you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. After the trade is confirmed, your new position will appear in your portfolio. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description if you want to follow the same example.